Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Civilians do not get angry because these are disputes which happen every day and we used to settle among ourselves. So why some civilian got angry? I think these angles will be looked after by the Mizoram police. It has to be looked after by the Mizoram police whether certain vested non-state actor has entered into the scene. So I sincerely hope that Chief Minister of Mizoram will investigate that. Why non-civilian people, why civilian people will come. So those things need to be investigated. I cannot say this is the case, but surely Mizoram government must inquire that from where civilian got arms and where from they got authority to fire at Indian citizen. And those videos are there. I think it is also important for peace and stability of Mizoram that civilian doesn't got arms. So these are, if today it is being used against Assam police, tomorrow it will be used against own people. So it is important for the government of Mizoram to investigate that how civilian got arms. Three battalion of commando will be deployed in Assam Mizoram border. So we are just in the process of doing that. So entire Mizoram, Karimganj and Silchar border, we are going to raise 3 commando battalion. 3 battalion will post here. So that 3,000 police will be there, but we will not go in their territory. That will be within our territory. We are going to protect our territory. Look, I have already said that he say me sorry. Amit Shah ji has told me the same thing, that please see that no civilian casualty is there. Please see there is no tension. Because there is nothing to say, no land has been taken from us. So those things is never been the question because we have not allowed our land to be taken over like earlier. So today we are firmly on our land. We are protecting our land. There was a fight for a post. So Amit Shah ji has told me that give that post to CRPF. I said fine, take the post. These will not happen. What kind of final meeting? There is no final things. These will go on till mindset change. Unless people develop a respect for forest, this will go on. Those who died, they are also Indian citizens. So they are some people, some civilians are behaving that as if there is a fight between 2 foreign countries. The same Mizo brothers are studying in Assam. Same Mizo brothers are doing business in Assam. And we are friends from time immemorial. So if you are rejoicing on a death of a friend, how I can comment on that? Today, what strong message you can give? I cannot ask my police to open fire on them. So that message I cannot give. I only give the message that look, whatever may be the provocation, we'll die, but we'll not give our land. We'll die, but we'll not fire on innocent people. We'll not fire on civilians. We'll die, but we'll protect our land.